Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. The SUI chart might have bottomed here in the blue support zone. Obviously it's too early to say, but we have a breakout above the trend line we talked about. Crypto breakouts often fail, so we haven't even taken out the previous high. That could be a little bit more of a confirmation. Getting the price above that level could be helpful. Here we talk about the $3.97 level. Yep. This is pretty much where we are now. So we need a break above it, however. That's just sometimes, you can, when we have a trend line like that, I mean, it's a pretty clear trend line, right? When we get a breakout, sometimes in crypto, you get these fake outs. But better confirmation is typically obtained if there is a break above this previous swing high as well, because it's an obvious one where the price could easily get rejected, right? So if you followed previous videos, then you know that the area here between $3.80 and $3.50 was seen as support. It still is support, especially as the $3.50 level is, first of all, a Fibonacci support, the 123.6 Fibonacci extension, and it is where a previous swing low was positioned on the, what was that, 13th? No, 20th of December. And this previous one as well from the 10th of December. So we had a mix of structural support as well as Fibonacci support. Now we just need to see if the buyers step in, if this pullback was enough to complete all of the wave 4, which is at this stage not clear yet because the rally is so far only in 3 waves. But by all means, I mean, it's a breakout above the trend line, definitely worth watching there. And as long as the intraday low is holding, I mean, as long as this last low is holding here at $3.59, this idea is valid that it could be on its way higher. But I'm not labeling anything yet. This is only a 3-wave move up. We would need to see a move up, a breakout. That would give us only 3 waves as well. Another 4-5 pattern, and we have proper 5 waves. That is when we get the first solid confirmation that a low is in. Okay, I just said I'm not labeling it. Maybe I do. So at least you see how it would look like. I mean, this is how a 5-wave move up would look like that. So that means wave 2 low must hold, okay? And we need to break out in a 3rd wave. And this should push a little bit higher. Possibly, if we really look at the micro, the 3rd wave is normally the 138% extension, or it reaches normally that level. Here we talk about round about $4.37. Yeah, and then another wave 4, and the wave 5 should reach at least 452. So we need a 5-wave move to at least 452 to indicate a low is in, basically, right? Do we need a 5-wave move? No, it could just go in a straight line, but I'm telling you what we need for confirmation, right? Overall, the low could already be in. Any further downside could still be seen as this wave 4, but as I said before, any break below $2.97 would likely indicate we are dealing with a larger degree wave 4. This is the level where, for me, the wave degrees change from the smaller degree wave 4 to the larger degree wave 4. And then the next support will be at $2.51 and $1.99. So basically, we have to be prepared for further downside until we have a confirmation that the trend is turning around to the upside. We do have some promising price action there just now to the upside. Just need a little bit more confirmation. The levels should be clear. And in terms of next upside levels, next upside targets to watch, we've got $5.57 and $6.90. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.